When a building begins to crack, wise builders do not ignore the foundation, and neither should fathers. There are seasons in life when everything outside of you feels unstable. Finances, relationships, expectations, pressure. In moments like these, many men begin collapsing internally long before anyone notices externally. But strong fathers understand something important. When the external world crumbles, the inner architecture must be reinforced. Small routines become restoration, quiet mornings, prayer, reflection, discipline. These are not small things. They are structural repairs. Children may never fully understand the battles fathers fight internally, but they feel the stability when a father rebuilds himself instead of quitting. Your life may feel shaken, but shaken foundations can still be rebuilt. Brick by brick, day by day, surround yourself with positivity. Friends, books, or even podcasts that inspire you. Remember, it's about creating a sanctuary within yourself. Shift your focus to what you can control. When the external chaos hits, your inner strength can be your greatest ally. So, start laying those bricks. Still standing. I am Maurice Lakea. Thank you for watching.